Hi, it's Jackie Othen here. Today's Real Estate Real Talk. It's for you. If you're watching this and you're cheaping out on your reno or cheaping out on your updates on your home, my message to you is don't cheap out. Home inspections happen often when homes are sold or condos are sold. But before the home inspection, you've got tons of eyeballs walking through your home. And agents are actually, really good agents are skilled at finding good quality improvements in a home and not so good ones. My advice to you is try to do the best work the first time around. Penny wise, pound foolish. We all know how that saying goes. You want to make sure that if you're laying floors down, that you put good quality floors that suit your home. You don't want to over improve, but you certainly don't want to skimp and cut corners and put cheap work out there, because cheap floors look cheap. And the same goes with all of the other work throughout the home. If you can't do something, it's better not to touch it than to put stuff in that looks cheap. So you want to do consistent work throughout the property if you can afford to do it. And my message to you is if you're going to do it, you're going to do it right, because the market is going to catch you every time you don't. And they're going to catch your sloppy work and your cheap work, and they're going to point it out. And they're going to hesitate to bring you an offer because it's going to show inconsistency in the work that's done. So my advice to you is you do it right or you don't do it at all.